This is the little folio card that I made to put in my college freshman's care package that I'm sending him. So I have two sons, a younger one and an oldest, and so he's my favorite youngest son. So I put this tag onto the slip cover with some baker's twine, and then of course I used a punch to punch this circle out. There's a whole live video that I shared on my page as well that kind of goes through some of these steps. So it opens up, of course, and I made little pieces. This is a file folder scrap, just a friendly reminder to call your mom. This is a place where my husband can write a note to him before I send it off. This washi tape I had in my stash from something I got from Teresa Collins last year, I think. And then this was part of the paper that I used. Let's see, it's called, let me see. It is from the Photo Play Campus Life collection. I don't know how old it is. I got it from a retreat, and so I'm not sure. Anyway, I left of course a little bit of cash, never hurts. And then I use, again, these are journaling cards from the collection itself, and so this could be tucked right in there. And then this is a template from my Dancing Dahlias collection, and I'll be doing actual projects with that here in the coming weeks. I'm still working on those. And then let's see, and then finally this third pocket, I just used a colored paper clip to put this little definition, which is kind of funny, on this. And then again, don't procrastinate. I don't procrastinate, I wait, because with age I'll be older and therefore wiser. Yeah, I let him know I wasn't so sure about that. And of course, something to get a snack. I mean, he's a growing 6'7" boy. He needs all the food he can get. Anyway, so I tuck that in here like that to keep it shut. I tuck this back inside here, and the bill keeps getting caught on the edge. There we go. And of course I put that journaling card right there. And again, a lot of these pieces I go over in that live that I saved to my page, so feel free to access that a few posts back. But anyway, so there we go. And it took me less than half an hour to make. So it's just kind of fun and something that I can tuck in his care package when I send it off this week.